Hello, crafty friends. We are going to make a cute, primitive, rustic looking Christmas biscuit sack. It's perfect for your dough bowls, your tiered tray. Put it on a center island or on your kitchen counter. I found the print from Etsy and I downloaded it on regular paper. So I will link that below. All I did was decoupage it onto some muslin. This I found at Joann's. It's just striped fabric. I cut a piece just a little bit bigger than the label, and I'm just going to hot glue it together. It's really that simple. You could do it inside out. I did do the next one, the wrong sides together, and then flipped it inside out. Or I like the exposed edges. I feel like that gives it a little bit more of a rustic look. So I am using a super hot glue gun. I don't know if it picks up on video, but it steams when it uses. So I just have to give it a few seconds to let it cool off. I screwed up that one, so I'm starting over again. And I just used regular Mod Podge. I didn't even use the fabric Mod Podge. You can. So now we cut the muslin to size. And I used Mod Podge to attach that as well. So I attached the muslin to the striped fabric, and then I just secured the edges. So now we're going to grunge one of them, and that is the mixture of instant coffee, orange extract, vanilla, cinnamon, and cloves. And I keep it in the refrigerator. I warm it up when I'm ready to use it and shake it all up. I used a chip brush because that makes it a little bit more rustic. And then I've just stuffed it with polyfill and rolled the top. Hot glued and then rolled it again. This is really that simple, and they turn out so super cute. I should have let it dry, but we don't have time for that. So I closed it and then just rolled it. That one actually left open. And then I'm going to embellish it with a rusty safety pin with some rusty bells and a tad of greenery. Super simple. So keep your imagination open for any other holidays that you can do this for, and your everyday look as well. I will link the Etsy shop at the bottom, and then I'll find a link for my glue gun and everything else, and I'll have that below as well. Stay tuned for the finished pictures.